Hi, and welcome to a new video. This is our first look at Postman API Performance Testing new feature. This feature is not yet released, still you can access it via early access request with a build called Canary build. This is the build shown on my screen right now. I will show you how to request the early access. You can find the link below in the description, and then we will play. Yeah, we will have a quick play with. We will try it quickly and see what it offers. If you open the link in the description, you can find this is the page for API performance testing on Postman, and at the end of the page you can sign up for an early access. This by entering your email and your job title, and then when you sign up, you have when it's available for you to have it, you will receive an email with the build called Canary build, with a download link to the Canary build. This this is the build that this is the software that's on the screen right now. And as you can see here, it's called Postman Canary. Let's try to work with to try it. I'm using the Swagger collection, the Postman Swagger the Pet Store Swagger collection. And let's try to get user information. Okay, if I send the request, I'll just make sure that it's working. Okay, user not found. So let's add this user. I think I have here a post request to add this user. Yes, send it. Now it's 200. Try to get the data again. Yeah, now we have successfully received the information data. So this GET request is working. Okay, let me just move this right here. Yeah, if you check below, you can find there is something called runner. This runner used to do some semi-automation runs to make sure that everything is working. Here you can find we have a functional tab and the performance tab. When I click this one, you can assign the number of virtual users, the test duration, you want the log profile to be fixed or ramped up. I will try to explain this in this video. Let's move this collection here. Then I will only choose the first one, the first GET that we just make sure that it was working. Okay. Now let's see the configuration. From the virtual users, it's the number of users we want to apply. I think I will set it as 5, only 5 users. The test duration, for minutes, this load will be running, how long this load will be running. I think I can set it at 3 minutes. I have a 3 minutes run with 5 users. With load profile, there is a fixed and ramp up. With fixed mean that when we just send start, we'll have 5 concurrent users hitting this API. When I choose the ramp up, you have something called the ramp up duration. In how many minutes you want these users to be fully hitting the server. So I will check I will set 1 minute. So in this case, we have 5 users, ramp up in 1 minute. So after 1 minute, if you have a look at the graph, after 1 minute, we have the 5 users, and we will continue the load for 2 extra minutes. Because the total duration of the test is 3 minutes. This means that we have 1 user every 200 milliseconds. So it's okay. If I hit run, users are ramping right now. We can see that we have now 6 total requests. We are making 0.3 requests per second with average response time 500 now 420 milliseconds. with 0% error rate. That means that's all we are receiving are 200 response code 200. Yeah, and now we know that this is that's the name of the collection, the number of users, when the test started, for how long, and the ramp up period. And you can see here that we can change what we are looking for. This is the average. We can check to be the minimum, maximum, 90, 95, or 99 percentile. Now we are making 2 requests per second. 2.1 to be specific. Yeah, it's expected to finish around 2:59 or 11. I think that we still have one minute to be completed. And this is the number of requests that we already did. We have 300 and we requested, or we have sent 322. Now it's 24, 29. We are requesting more because this test is still working. This is a very quick test, as you just saw that I only selected one test, one API call. You can add more, and you can add, as I think you can add more than one collection as well. This is an early access, and this is not a completed feature, so I think they can add more in the future. Like we don't know for how long now the test is running. We need to have some elapsed time. And when the test is completed, till now there is no way to export it. As I was playing with it for hours, but I didn't find any way to extract the report or to export the report. Now the test is done. As you can see here, that's the total number of requests. We have made 552 requests with maximum. I think this is the maximum. Okay, we reached 3 requests per second with average response time 277 milliseconds, and this is understandable as we are sending the same data and the same request all over and all over, and I think that there is some caching in the backend, so that's why the response time started, as you can see here, it started high was 712, and we ended with 306, or that's and with average in total 277. Yeah, that's it for now. I will make an update video if they added more features to this, more functionality to this feature. And yeah, see you. Hope this video. I hope this video is helpful, and yeah, see you in another videos.